Do this exercise with me. Fam, hold your breath for 5 seconds. If you can. I don't want you passing out on me. You're going to hold your breath, and then you're going to exhale. Inhale, hold your breath for 5 seconds, and exhale. You ready? That breath you took, that's life. That's a gift from Yah. Always give thanks to Yah. Always. Remember that life is a gift from the Most High. I went so many days waking up with a bad attitude. I went so many days without thanking the Most High for waking up. Have you made that mistake before? I bet you have. You woke up to another day and ignored the Most High. We get caught up in our worries, our burdens, our stresses. But let's remember to always be thankful. Don't stress. Don't worry. Don't complain. I know that job can get annoying. I know that coworker, they be hating. I know that boss, they be tripping. Remember to always be thankful. I'm going to share a scripture with you, family. This scripture is from Psalm 107, verse 1. This is going to help us when we're feeling stressed out at the job, when we are stressed out with dating, when we're stressed out with our money or lack of that we think. I say that we think because we have abundance, even though it may not reflect in our wallet. We have abundance. Oh, yes, we do. Psalm 107, verse 1. Oh, give thanks unto Yahuwah, for he is good, for his mercy endureth forever. Psalm 107. I encourage you to read. Psalm 107 is a beautiful psalm of thanksgiving that celebrates Yah's steadfast love and deliverance. It's a poetic recounting of how Yah rescues his people from various troubles and dangers, from being lost and wandering in the wilderness, to being imprisoned and in distress, facing sickness and despair, enduring storms of hardships, no matter the struggle, Yah will rescue you. As long as you stay faithful to the Most High, Yah will save you. Yah will deliver you. Yah will restore you. No matter what you are going through right now, Yah will rescue you. Before I sign off, I'd like to remind you to always be thankful. Through good times, through sad times, through ups and downs, through thick and thin, always be thankful. Repeat after me. I'm going to say thank you so much, Yah. In Hebrew, Yah is the name of the Creator. Todah means thanks. Rabbah means much. So much. Yah is the name of the Creator. You ready? Todah, Rabbah, Yah. Todah, Rabbah, Yah. Repeat after me one more time. Todah, Rabbah, Yah. All glory to our great King. Always be thankful.